If you're seeing the Lightroom error parsing file message, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix it in Lightroom Classic. This is one of those frustrating errors that can stop you from editing a photo, but the good news is that in most cases, the fix is simple. We're going to go through a couple of reliable steps, starting with the fastest solution first. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Lightroom tips and editing fixes. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing to try is re-importing the file. In many cases, Lightroom may have imported the photo incorrectly, or the file may have glitched during transfer. To do this, go into Lightroom Classic and find the image that's showing the error. Right-click on the photo and choose Remove. Make sure you select Remove, not Delete from disk. This is very important, because Remove only takes the photo out of Lightroom while keeping the original file on your computer safe. Once the photo has been removed from Lightroom, go up to the import option and bring the file back in again. Navigate to the folder where the original image is stored, select the file and import it again into Lightroom Classic. This simple re-import often clears the parsing error right away, especially if the issue was caused by a temporary import problem or a corrupted catalog reference. If the error is still there after re-importing, the next thing you need to check is the file format. Lightroom supports common formats like JPG and PNG, as well as many RAW files such as CR2, NEF, and ARW. If your file is in a format that Lightroom does not support properly, that can trigger the error parsing file message. In that case, the best solution is to convert the image into a supported format like JPG or DNG. You can do this using a file converter, or by exporting the image from another app into a format Lightroom can read more easily. After converting the file, import the new version into Lightroom Classic and check whether it opens correctly. In a lot of cases, this resolves the issue completely. Also, if you're working with a RAW file from a camera, make sure your Lightroom version is up to date. Sometimes newer camera formats are not fully supported in older versions, and updating Lightroom can fix the problem immediately. So if the re-import and format check do not solve it, installing the latest updates is a smart next step. To recap, if Lightroom says error parsing file, first remove the image from Lightroom and re-import it, then check whether the file format is supported. If needed, convert the file to JPG or DNG and try again. These steps solve the issue in most cases without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Lightroom fixes, beginner tutorials, and editing workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.